Hey guys, today I have a haul for you guys, just a mixture of things from the 21 days of Ulta, so some PR. So let's go ahead and jump in and let me know if you guys want any reviews. I've really been into doing reviews again, even though like some of these things aren't new. So I don't know. I just love doing reviews on products, but I kind of fell off the bandwagon of doing reviews because I couldn't keep up with the Joneses. I feel like people who are review channels just buy everything that's new, and I just am not about buying everything that's new. And I do have products that I don't have reviews on my channel, and so I've thought about like doing reviews of those products, but I don't know if people would be interested in them. Let me know, should I do reviews? I have concealers, foundations, sprays, all kinds of different products, makeup brushes. I don't know. I've thought about just like being like, screw it and do reviews on them. I don't know. We'll see. Because I do love just like reviewing them, really putting them through the ringer, putting my thoughts out there. And anyways, so let's go ahead and jump into this haul. I did purchase some things on the 21 days of Ulta. There were two specific products that I really wanted from the 21 days of Ulta that I missed out on. First of all was the Korean BB cream. That junk sold out like nobody's business. My shade was gone like no tomorrow. When I went to purchase it, it was gone. And then the Bobbi Brown under eye cream, I love that. It's super pricey. Even at 50% off, it's like $29, and it was gone as well. Like I went to add it to my cart and it was like out of stock. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into what I did purchase. And I am still on a low buy, I promise you. I do have a budget. And the first thing that I got was the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. This is in the shade 210. I will be testing this out and doing a review. I guess I'll do reviews and then whoever watches and whoever doesn't. But okay, will you come out? Basically this comes in a tube, which I cannot get out for the life of me, and I got shade 210, which I thought would be really good for my under eyes. It will conceal and brighten just a little bit. Okay, I cannot get this out. Anyways, but this is what it looks like. I will get this out eventually. It does come with a like a wand, and I'm excited to test this out. It's supposed to be like a long wear, light as air, crease proof concealer. I will start testing this out this week and see what my thoughts are. The other thing that I picked up is the IT Cosmetics CC Illumination Full Coverage Cream. It's anti-aging hydration, SPF 50. I like their original version of this, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick the illuminating version, and I got the shade medium. I'm medium in their original version, so I thought, what the hell, let me get medium in this one as well. And I did test this out on Saturday. I tested it out for the first time, and I feel like the shade really matches me really nicely. And it does have really shimmery particles in it. I will continuously test it out and see what my thoughts are, but I was like a little taken aback about how shimmery it looked on the skin when you like actually hold up a mirror to it. I don't feel like people actually like will notice unless they're like up in your face, but like I can notice it myself. So that just, you know, that just depends on like your thoughts on that. But I will do a full review on that. The other thing that I picked up is by IT Cosmetics as well. This is the, what is this called? So this is the Airbrush Blurring Foundation. This is the number 101. This is the rounded one. I actually have owned the flat top one for years, and I absolutely love this. So I went ahead and got the rounded one. Their brushes are absolutely amazing. They're super soft. They're really great, and their longevity. They have a nice like weight to them, and just really great quality. So I went ahead and picked up another another one, especially for $12. Really, really great. And this was half off. On the Ulta sale, everything is like 50% off. And then the last thing that I purchased was this L'Occitane shower oil. This is just really hydrating. I have never tried this specific brand, but I've really been into the Soap and Glory one, so I really wanted to try this one. This is more of a higher end price, so I got two for the price of one because they were 50% off. This comes with 8.4 fluid ounces. I've smelled this 1,000 times at Disney Springs but never purchased it because it's so pricey, and have really wanted to try it. It's supposed to like cleanse and really soften your skin, and just like it's supposed to be like super lavish, so I will see if I really love it, but I'm excited. And so I got super excited and just was like, add two to cart. But yeah, so had to get two of those. And then let's jump into some PR. Yeah, let's jump into some PR. So first up, I will probably already have a review up on these because I was testing these out the last few days. And these are by Glowish by Huda Beauty. She sent me two of her new concealers, and these are like a very sheer light concealer. These are called the Bright Light concealers, and I'll have a full review. She also sent me a new Easy Bake, and this is called Sugar Cookie. I feel like this is going to be super brightening because it's a very white white powder compared to the one that I have, but I love this powder. I have also Cherry, which I love her powders. They're just absolutely amazing. Next up is a brand that I have loved for years on end. For them to actually send me something in PR, I about had a heart attack. Smashbox is like something that I've talked about on my channel about complexion products. I love their primers, their foundations, their concealers, their like powders also. I feel like people don't talk about their complexion products enough. Their stuff is like superb quality, and they send me a little PR package with their primers. And their OG primer is the Photo Finish, and they do have targeted ones as well. They have a hydrating, a correcting, a mattifying, and a illuminating one. So I will be testing out especially the illuminating one. I will do a reel or a shorts on here talking about each one, what they are used for. But I have tried their OG Photo Finish one. This one is more of a silicone based one, which really helps like smooth the skin, give more of a poreless finish, and it's just absolutely beautiful for underneath foundation if you want more of a smooth looking base. Next up, we have Ciate London, which I absolutely love. They sent me a new palette, which is their olive palette, and a few other goodies. So let me go ahead and open this up so you guys can see it. I will do a swatch shorts for you guys. Let me know if you guys like those little short videos of swatches. Some of the videos get like a lot of views and then some of them don't. So I'm not sure what is up with that, if it's just the palette itself or I'm not sure, but look at how gorgeous this palette is. It's a beautiful olive tone palette. I love the shades in here. They're just absolutely stunning. Just gorgeous. I love their formulation. Just a very beautiful palette. So I will be doing a swatch video on these. They also sent me this Bronze Glow Shimmering Lip Oil. So I'm going to go ahead and let me go ahead and swatch this. Oh, okay. So I love Ciate London's oil. So this is a shimmering lip oil. It's very shimmering and bronzy. You won't be able to tell right now because I already have something underneath my lips. Also, they have their dewy blush in the shade Pomegranate. I love their dewy blushes, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. Let me go ahead and swatch this one. Oh, that's a beautiful, oh God, that's gorgeous. This is like a gorgeous purpley shade right here. I have a just like two more of these, and they're just absolutely stunning. And next up we have their triple shot XX large mascara. Let me know if you guys want like a full video of Ciate London. They have like such beautiful gems in their collection. Look at how gorgeous this is. Ooh. Their dewy blushes are just so stunning. I feel like a lot of people don't talk about Ciate London enough, and their shadows, their dewy blushes, and they also have another formula of blushes that I love. These blushes right here are just amazing. I love these. These are called their illuminating blushes. These are gorgeous. These right here are like a highlighter and a blush in once, and are just like glowy on your cheek. Just so beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, child. Okay, let me stop. Let me control myself. Next up, we have a package from Kiss. This is the Lash Couture, the Muses collection. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Melissa, stop throwing stuff. Look how beautiful this is. Ooh, child. Look at those lashes. This is absolutely stunning. They use like royalty as the inspiration for these, and I love the packaging on these. They have kind of like little corsets on them. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of all of them. Okay, like focus. Okay, there it goes. So look at how beautiful the packaging is. They have little corsets on them, and they're just so beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys close-ups of each one of the style lashes. So this one right here is Duchess, and these are more longer and beautiful. Love the packaging on these. If you're into kind of like royalty, I feel like you're going to love this whole line and collection. These are classic elegance with soft layered finish. Next we have Supreme, which is more of a natural lash. Legacy, which is more of a wispy. Noblesse, which is also a wispy, more separated lash. Sire, which are a little bit more on the spiky end. And Empress, which are more of the dramatic, spiky, longer style. Last thing that I purchased is something that I never wear. It's Crocs. I've never been into Crocs. When Crocs was like the rage, I was like, that is not cute. I don't like them. My first pair of Crocs I actually bought last year just to wear around the house, and I was like, oh, these are comfy. And then last week I went to the store and was like, oh, I just want to see what's new, if there's anything like cute to wear inside the house. I would never wear them like out in public. Like, I'm not into wearing Crocs. I only wear Crocs to like pick up my son from school. Dude, I fell in love with two pair of Crocs. Crocs that I would actually like wear outside the house. So I've literally ate my own words. I have fallen in love with Crocs. And to anyone who's a fan of Crocs, I'm sorry. I now love Crocs. I went to the store and fell in love. These are like limited edition Crocs. I have never like really saw the appeal of Crocs. I just always just did not like them, you know, to each their own. But I fell in love with these. So let me show you guys the first pair. These are Hello Kitty ones. If you guys are new to my channel, I love a good theme. And of course, these are both themed Crocs. So these are the new Hello Kitty ones. They are limited edition. They're sold out online, but you can still find them in store. So they come with these little, I don't know what these are called. Somebody will probably write them on the comment section, but they come with these already on there. I was around when Hello Kitty was very popular. Hello Kitty came out when I was like in middle school, and it was like a whole thing when I was very young. And Pochaco, Keropi, like all of Bats Maru, like all of these characters were very, very popular when I was young. So I grew up with them, and I thought that these were so cute. I fell in love with them and absolutely needed them in my life. So I think that these are so cute. And of course they're pink. They have the little characters on them. On the back it says Hello Kitty with friends. So cute. And then the shoe itself has like the characters on here. So I just thought that they were so cute, and I just needed them in my life. So yeah, so I bought these and have no regrets, and will be wearing them. These are the first time ever that I've worn Crocs outside of the house. So I think that these are so cute. And then the second pair that I bought, if you guys don't know, I am an 80s baby. I'm 40 years old, and I grew up with Lisa Frank, and Crocs came out with a collaboration with Lisa Frank, and here it is. So in the store, I didn't purchase it because a lot of these gems were missing. Like, people had stolen like a few of them. So I went ahead and purchased these online. It has like the classic Lisa Frank like hearts and logos on them. I thought that these were so cute. It has like a lot of the like groovy. It has her name. Just like so freaking cute. I love purple, so these were just like right up my alley. Over here it has like a little peace sign on the little buckle as well. It has little gemstones here, and then this one as well has gemstones here on the front, and then it has a little flower here on the front as well. So I just couldn't help myself, and I needed these in my life. So freaking cute. Oh my god, they're just my jam. They're my type of style. And that is it for my haul and PR. Super grateful to all the companies that reach out to me or send me products. If you want reviews or specifics on any products, let me know. And I will be doing reviews and more videos coming soon. I've just been really pumped about filming. I've just kind of like gotten out of my headspace and like really been pumped about filming again. I kind of like go through waves of like wanting to film, not wanting to film. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, for watching. If you're not subscribed, you can subscribe by hitting that little red button. I have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.